Once upon a time, there was a young man named Rohit who lived in a small village in India. Rohit was a simple man with a kind heart and a passion for poetry. He spent most of his days wandering through the village and composing beautiful love songs to the muses that inspired him. One day, while exploring the village, Rohit came across a young woman named Priya. She was the most beautiful woman he had ever seen, with long black hair, sparkling eyes, and a smile that lit up the whole world. Rohit was instantly smitten and decided that he had to get to know her better. Over the next few weeks, Rohit and Priya became fast friends. They would often spend hours talking and laughing together, sharing their hopes, dreams, and deepest desires. Rohit was captivated by Priya's intelligence, sense of humor, and her compassionate heart. He realized that he was in love with her and that he wanted to spend the rest of his life by her side. One day, Rohit mustered up the courage to confess his love to Priya. To his delight, Priya revealed that she felt the same way, and the two became a couple. They were the happiest they had ever been, spending all their time together, exploring the village and composing beautiful love songs. However, their happiness was short-lived. A wealthy and influential man from a neighboring village began to court Priya, and her parents pressured her to accept his proposal. Priya was torn, as she loved Rohit deeply, but felt obligated to fulfill her parents' wishes. Rohit was heartbroken but refused to give up on his love. He decided to write a love poem so beautiful and moving that it would convince Priya's parents to allow her to be with him. He worked tirelessly on the poem, pouring his heart and soul into every word. When the day finally came for Priya to make her decision, Rohit presented her with the love poem he had written. Priya was so moved by the words that she immediately knew that her heart belonged to Rohit. She told her parents of her love for Rohit, and after much consideration, they finally gave their blessing for the couple to be together. Rohit and Priya were married in a beautiful ceremony surrounded by their loved ones. They spent the rest of their lives together, building a life filled with love, laughter, and endless adventures. They continued to write love songs to each other, inspiring generations to come with their beautiful love story.